so long since I've been home. I've been so far too long, it seems. I've reminisced all of those special times we spent around the Christmas tree. I've been done so many things, only you stay on my mind. It's the feeling of emptiness we found you at Christmas time. 'Cause I'll be home this Christmas. Please wait for me. So many years have gone by, so many times I will cry. 'Cause I'll be home this Christmas. Please wait for me. If I can just have